Good afternoon, everybody. It is Fitz Miller and Emmy back here with another video. We are currently on the way to look at the trap wagon, the BMW E46 wagon. We have about a 38-minute drive. It shouldn't be bad. It stopped raining.
Partly cloudy skies with a chance of snow.
Partly cloudy skies with a chance of meatballs.
You sound like a meteorologist.
A meteorologist? You mean
Switch your career.
I don't think it's a meteorologist. Isn't that for space?
No, that's a person that does.
No, you're right. You're right. You're right. Okay.
Meteorologist.
That ain't it. Anyways, we picked up the money. We're going to look at it. Some things I was told to ask about or check over on the car would be make sure the rear subframe isn't cracked. It's a big E46 thing. Ask if the timing chain has been done. And then overall, we're just going to look at leaks, whether the car is warm or not when we get there, major rust. And to be honest with you, once I've gotten into cars, I've realized if the thing turns on, runs and drives, and most of the stuff works, you'll be all right. But yeah, we're on the way. I'm super excited, and I hope it works out. So let's do it. All right, the first wagon is it gonna be a no-go? I'm pulling it up right now, but while I'm pulling it up, Emmy, your thoughts on the wagon?
Stinky. Women intuition tells me the car is not good.
No bueno.
Also, he had the car for 8 months and never did any sort of maintenance to it. I had asked him, and he was just like, no. And I was like, you're worse than a woman. An independent woman who don't need a man and has bald tires.
Yeah, the tires were okay for the record. But the coolant system was not. So in the ad and talking to him, it sounded like everything was great. Like it ran and drive great. And then we pull up and it's like,
also the car was disgusting because he had used it as like a work car, and he never disclosed that in his like ad, and he didn't have any pictures of the interior either on the ad.
It was really messy. But the cooling system, he goes, yeah man, there was a tiny little leak also in the coolant system. Like, oh my god, why wouldn't you just tell me this? Anyways, we took it for a test drive, and like it felt cool, like it felt fine. I like the idea of a wagon still. I don't think that one's for me. But on the other hand,
we're going to see another one!
Yes. I don't know if you speak Emmy. It took a while for me to learn that language. We're going to see another one. Bazzano. Yeah, Chris. I'll show you guys his wagon. It does.
Show him.
Meow. Hold on. Alright, you guys ready? Wagon. You guys see that? That thing's sick. D2 coils, wheels, a couple other small things. There's minimal stuff wrong with it. It needs an AC compressor. It needs like a window regulator. It has a salvage title. And it has a check engine light because of an O2 sensor. Now, Chris, I know through friends. He's a very, very good videographer. He's dailied this thing for a while now. He said he's replaced spark plugs, MAF, a couple other things, but the check engine light is for the O2 sensor. That's the only thing he hasn't replaced, got to, or tracked down, or whatever. So I am going to look at it today, like right now. We're stopping for some food first.
We are?
Yes, I'm starving.
Farmhouse.
Are you hungry? Farmhouse. Okay. Wagon time. Alright guys. The second wagon, like 99.9% gonna be a go. Thing's an absolute unit. I feel a lot more comfortable buying it from somebody that I know, and just being able to be very straight up with the seller. But guys, look at this absolute unit of a car. Absolute unit. I told you guys it had the misfire because of the O2 sensor. It didn't do it at all, and it had been sitting for a while. So we started up, took it out. He drove it, I drove it, and it just made me want the wagon more. We're out at Skipper's. We're getting some seafood. Yes, ma'am. Get some goddamn seafood, you know what I'm saying?
Chicken tenders.
Oh my. Oh my. Do you really have a girlfriend if she doesn't order chicken tenders
And make you listen to Minecraft Let's Plays.
everywhere? And make me fall asleep to Minecraft Let's Plays now? That's not getting cut out. Alright. Cool wagon time. Food time. Alright guys, well, I loved the 34 wagon. Fingers crossed we will get into that early next week. The week this video goes up. Really, really looking forward to it. Getting back on track with YouTube, with Skyline, and hopefully with a nice daily. And we will go from there. Anyways, it's been Fitz and Emmy and Couple Wagons back here with another video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.